So if you really cannot bear to see the bloody yellow sign over there and say that I want to kill this Learning Limited, what can you do? Increase budget. That's the thing. The moment you increase budget, you will bring more people actually coming into your audience, and you can actually get more conversion, whether it's clicks or landing page view. And then in turn, we were able to exceed learning, to complete the learning. Now remember, the learning phase of Facebook ads campaign takes 50 conversions to complete. So the conversion is depending on what you're looking for. So if it's lead, you need 50 leads. If it's website visits, you need 50 website visits. If it's conversion, then you need 50 conversion. That's how the whole thing works. So you got to be very careful about this thing. So that's how it works. You just have to try. Okay, so go for that. And like I say, Learning Limited is not going to kill you.